Alright, so today on BP Builds we're going to be taking the 4G15 out of this 1989 Dodge Colt.
I'm Dan.
Hey Dan.
Hey.
First thing we're going to do is drain out the engine oil. Drain the transmission fluid, if there's any in there.
Good thing you didn't run this.
Yeah, it looks pretty,
Well, I mean, it's pumping, so it's locked a little bit. But
not much.
looks pretty good, though.
And then now should be able to flop that over without bending the heat shield.
Bend it what?
There you go. Now you should be able to pull it straight out.
There we go.
There you go. It's a beautiful thing. When you're too lazy to unbolt the exhaust that you're never going to use, we're just going to cut it. Alright, that's off. Good enough.
Spinning?
Nope, yep.
It's out. I'm gonna drop it.
Don't drop it. Did you drop it?
Nope.
I think I made you too nervous.
You did. One down. losing gear.
Stuck on a wire.
No, it's attached to it.
Oh. Lift it up.
Yeah. Don't drop the transmission.
Yes.
Oh, it came right off.
Told you.
All right,
Came right off.
go down a little bit.
I'm just gonna go nice and slow, and you're just
Yep.
gonna guide it.
Good, keep going. Hang on. Okay, yeah, you're good. Go. Hang on, hang on, hang on. The slave's caught.
No, it's good.
Okay, down. And she is down.
Cold temperature sensor.
This one?
Yep.
How'd that come apart?
No tab, just pull straight out.
That's what you said last time.
Same with the next.
Got a switch?
For the gauge.
You sure this one's not for the gauge?
The single wires for the gauge. Okay, now heater core hoses.
Never wreck your wiring either.
Oh, there's no more.
No.
Okay, I got more. Under the wiper maybe? And two 10mm. Who in their right mind put red fuel on a 89 Dodge Colt?
It's kind of strange.
Yeah. Somebody liked this car, but they didn't really do much to it.
I mean, it's pretty much done.
All right, 14, 14, 14, 14, but before another 14 here, and I think a 17 on this side.
That one first.
Yeah, actually that's a 19.
19.
14 and a 19, you're gonna have to do that one by
The wrench.
I was never gonna drive it the way it was.
You have a ratcheting one, do you?
19, no. No, again, that was something I was trying to buy today, but they don't really have sets that go that big. Okay, there's two ways we could do this. We could unbolt all these, and then there'll be no load on this bolt and you'll be able to pull it out. Or we put enough preload on the bottom of the motor to be able to pull this bolt out.
More cinematic.
Worse than what?
This is more cinematic this way.
Okay, now take that chain, we'll hook it up here and here,
Where do you want to hook it up?
here and here. So this one you can just put the nut back on with the end of it. The other one you can loop, basically kind of bolt to that. You can use that bolt for here and then use the open end for that. And then repick it in the middle.
It's going. It's going. It's going.
Sure.
Yes. It's going.
Have your friend jack you up while you hold your motor. Make sure, yep, now you gotta pull those back. It's gonna be more tricky because now we gotta probably take weight off of it. Hammer and a punch might be the best. You're out. That's the altimeter. You gotta rotate it anti-clockwise. Yeah, right there.
Anti-clockwise?
Yep.
A new term.
Straight.
Good. Motor's out.